Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala used to teach many people, even highly scholarly personalities used to sit in the gathering of Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala, why the knowledge from him. He was teaching, Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala was there to teach those people. People saw that there was a fly, but he wasn't touching the clothes of Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala. They discussed, and the result came to them is that the flies never used to sit on the clothes of Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala. So those scholars decided to ask Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala that why doesn't the fly sit on your clothes? We haven't seen any fly sitting on their clothes. We have never seen such thing. So Sayyidina Azam radiallahu ta'ala said, the sweetness of Dunya is not in my heart. And because of this, the flies never sit on my clothes.